Morning, guys. Today is July 5th, I think. It's been a while since I posted the last YouTube video. I've been very busy with work and with chartering and all that. So today is a sort of rare occasion where I finally get a day to go fishing for myself, and we don't have charters or anything. So it's currently 4:30 right now. I'm on my way to go pick up buddy Cole, and we're gonna head down to Lake Ontario to do some salmon fishing. We're gonna go out fishing with my good buddies Roman, and yeah, we'll see how all that goes. So I have to bring some camera gear today to do some filming. And yeah, won't say much yet. See what happens on the water. Oh, there he is. The man himself, Mr. Cole. That was a good buddy, some leg room. What's going on, buddy?
Not much.
How's it going? Ready to catch some salmon?
Yeah, I'm excited, man.
Alright, let's go. Alright. So, just got to the marina. Walking down now to meet Mr. Roro. I think he's warming up the engine right now. There he is. Oh, these songs. Roro. Morning, man. Don't need your coffee.
Oh wow, thank you so much.
Decaf, right?
That's perfect. Yeah, buddy, how you doing? Not bad, you? Good.
Yeah.
Can't forget the sound.
No, sir.
It's nice to see you again, Roman. It's been a while.
Likewise. Did you have a good winter?
Yeah. Oh. Do you want it? Yeah. Oh, okay.
It's not that big. It's okay.
Oh. I felt it pop. Yeah.
Well, compared to steelhead. Stuffed. Pretty heavy. Yep.
Get that in. That's you.
Small guy, but it'll be okay.
You're good. There's that 55.
Watch that fish.
Yeah, I saw him zipping around out there. Honestly, that's a very good eater.
Good stuff, Aiden.
Let's just put him in the boat.
Slow Chinook. Lively fish.
You need this?
Like 2 hours, just non-stop.
How long are you? Oh, fish on that one.
Small.
You want a bowl?
Big can I? Thanks, buddy. It doesn't feel that small.
Scrappy. It's a rainbow.
Is it? There's one on that. Professional rod watcher.
Nice call. Good job, buddy. Oh, bring it in, buddy.
Yep. There we go. Thank you for the show.
Yeah, take a photo.
1 second.
So sensitive. There you go.
It's up to you, yeah. You want to keep it?
Oh,
Yeah, if you want to fish rainbows, you just fish.
sorry, I didn't say which one.
Oh, dude, as I let this out, I got a bite too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I let that out to 180, dude.
Good stuff, right?
That thing on 180. I let it out to 180, yeah. As I let this out, I got a bite.
Really?
Yeah.
Another double header?
It was double, yeah, it was double on. Like I stopped it.
Right on. A salmon nonetheless.
So this is top of water, bottom water. They should like these big opals.
That's a better fish.
Aiden, fish.
Oh, when you want it?
No, you go for it. Better fish. Yeah, tournament fishing, you're on the road, you finish it.
Fair enough.
Yeah, this is the kind of fishing we're going to put in the boat.
Let's see it, Aiden.
A little better.
Don't do what I did.
The drag is pretty
Tight?
pretty spunky.
Yeah, the drag is funky, yeah.
Yeah, but that's what I was talking about.
Yeah, so nice and easy.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all you have to do.
Okay.
The bag stayed perfect,
decent.
right?
That seems decent.
And I just loosen up a little bit because this fish is decent, right?
Right.
And once he's finished,
Then tighten it.
yeah, you see? He's not finished yet. So it's still around.
Well, you should have seen how fast I turned.
180.
Yeah, funny. Just pick up.
One more down.
Yeah, he doesn't want to come up just yet. Okay, stand by.
Oh yeah. Nice fish, Roman.
Thanks, guys.
That is a good fish.
Very good fish. That might be a derby fish.
Oh, that's a
2022 on this thing.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh.
Hey, hold it.
Slow. Take your time. Nice and easy. That's it.
On the hip.
That's another good fish. It's another good fish. Yeah, that's another good fish. Take your time with that. Help him with the drag on that, okay?
One more good lift up and go down. Alright, now grab like that, watch that. Grab a little bit.
Hey, back.
Got him?
Yep.
Thank you so much,
Got the
guys.
rudder holder. There we go.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a turn.
Nice fish.
Who's honking? Oh, okay.
Yeah!
Thank you. You're not gonna lie.
I did too. This spunky fish. 12 pounds.
12?
Yeah.
Is that it?
It is.
Oh, rigger.
Yes.
I'm so sorry, Aiden. I drew a blank there.
I'm getting all the dinner fish.
Please.
Oh wow, Jesus. That's good for you. You want to keep them to eat?
I'm good on
Honestly, my cousin will probably take it if you want to keep it.
You want to keep it, man? We can
Yeah, I'd say keep it.
Okay.
Because my cousin,
Ready to eat it.
they like eating.
I don't know, I just cannot keep them in, like, I'm getting fucking atomic rig stock. I mean, the one broke off, but the other ones, you know when they fucking crotch it, they put the line on the bottom of the trellis?
Oh, yeah.
I got 2 of those, I got one with the atomic rig was all tangled up. Like, what the?
Got him?
Roman just hooked up on P-Tip.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Shit, eh?
Another dinner fish.
I don't know. You sure that's dinner?
What's that?
Whereabouts are you guys?
Yeah. Now you get your chance. So up and then down.
Okay, let me show you how we do it.
16 on the. Yeah, by 9 o'clock it always like that.
What time is it now?
10:30 almost.
That's you, bud.
Shake it a little bit. No, are you trying to get it off? Oh, I thought you were trying to pop it out. Should I tighten the brakes up? Right on cue, eh?
You got it.
Is he?
You got it.
Man, I missed that strike.
What? Are you sure?
You want a good fish, eh?
No, it's
How
all,
about
it's all you. It's all you. All you, Roman.
Yeah,
You get a fish. You get a fish.
Yeah.
This is a good fish, eh?
It's all you,
Yeah,
Roman.
bet.
Alright. Well,
The way that
Yeah.
fucking Dipsey ripped.
I'll let you practice bringing a Dipsey.
Alrighty. Can I watch this fight?
No, you can't watch. No, you have to. Look at this. You're so
Holy.
sensitive.
No, good. That's you, man. That drag ain't loose either.
I think you got a good fish.
Oh yeah.
Well,
Small, so it didn't come off. It didn't come off.
got him in.
Small, I think. I'll bring him towards you. Yeah.
Want to end the video?
Cool, perfect.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
My old Scott's right.
Yeah, he's right. It's fine.
What is that? What, the 2 rods over there? Oh, yeah. That was weird.
Like a strike first and then
Good fish? That's good fish, Hayden.
very good.
Nothing.
Your help.
Don't mention it.
Cheese cold, man. I don't know what I'd do with that shit.
Yes.
Oh, slow, slow, slow. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Good job, good job. Good control.
Down, draw it up all the way, walk back.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Thank you. Thanks, boys. Ah, damn. Another 10 pounds?
Yeah, that was 10 pounds. Okay.
I was about to throw him over. I'm like, wait a minute.
Yeah, you did now.
Hey everyone, so I did film an outro for today's video, but some of the audio came back with poor quality, so I figured I'd rather do a voiceover to conclude everything. So just to wrap up today's video, fishing was decent. We got into some good numbers of fish. We lacked a bit of quality, only got into a couple good matures, but that's alright. Today was also more of a scout mission for some upcoming charter trips we have. So besides that, just again want to thank Roman for taking us out today. If you guys don't know, Roman is the owner and operator of Dipsey Sport Fishing, which is a charter service based out of Port Credit, Lake Ontario. If any of you guys are interested in booking a trip with him, I'll make sure to leave his information linked down in the description. Other than that, if you like the content that you're seeing, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Besides that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next adventure.